Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, I usually do this when I get a new device. I did it with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I'm here today to share with you guys what is on my Galaxy Note 9 to kind of show you how I have it set up. So, here in the front display, you can see I have the always on display on. It is currently 6:24 p.m. at the moment today on Saturday, and then around back, I'm not currently using a case just so I can show you guys the beauty of this device, but I usually have this case right here on my device, which many of you have seen before on this channel. So yes, this is my full-time case for the device. It works great, it looks great. And then around front, this is the lock screen, and it's basically, I just have the one of the standard wallpapers that come with the phone, but when I open it up, I do use the fingerprint sensor. So here we go, boom, there it is, and that is my wallpaper. Now at the moment, I'm using the lawn chair launcher. This setup is pretty much almost the same as what I had on my Galaxy S9 Plus. It's just something that I'm really comfortable with at the moment, and it just works for me. So at the moment, I'm using the lawn chair launcher, kind of give it that Google Pixel feel, that stock Android feel. As you can see there, it runs really smooth. I love this launcher, and just the phone overall is just super snappy. And then around all the way to the far right, I got the calendar widget just to help me keep up with my dates, find out what I got going on for what days in the month. And then on my second screen, as you can see here, I got my rideshare app folder, Play Music, Play Store, I call it other stuff, and then I got my banking folder, Marriott for whenever I need to look up a room if I'm traveling, maps, my little selling apps, I don't know what you would call the offer up and let go, and then my two games that I play most on this device, Fortnite and PUBG Mobile. And then up here, a lot of you asked me in my previous video what this widget is, because I had this set up on my S9 Plus as well, and this is Beautiful Widgets. It is called Beautiful Widgets, and they got different setups you can do for this. Let me show you guys really quick. So I'm gonna go right here over to widgets. See, Beautiful Widgets, you can do it just if you just want the battery. They got the Beautiful Widgets clock. They got a smaller clock with the weather, and the list goes on. And basically, I got this one that you guys see right here, and you can make it bigger or smaller. So yes, that helps me out with the weather, and pretty much kind of like a weekly weather forecast as well. And then on my main page, this is it right here. We got the date up top, August 25th, Saturday, 2018. And then we got the little Google Pixel Peel here on top for when I want to search. And then I got my folders down here on the bottom as well. We got movies and shows, and then I got my social media app folder, my YouTube app folder, editing app folder, and then my gallery. And then down here is pretty kind of my important stuff that I usually always checking my Gmail. Every time I need to make a call, it's right there. Need to browse the web, my text messaging, and my camera is always right there. No matter what screen I'm on, those apps will always remain on the bottom for when I need them. I did disable the Bixby page, so as you can see, I do not use Bixby, even though this button always gets in the way. I always accidentally press it, and then it ends up doing this, and then I gotta kind of exit out of it. It just takes more time. I can't believe they didn't give us an option to disable that Bixby button this time. Honestly, I do not even use it. But yes, this is my basic setup of my Galaxy Note 9. Like I said, if you're interested in the way it looks, the launcher I am using is Lawn Chair Launcher to kind of give me the stock Android feel. I love it. It works great. And the wallpaper, honestly, a lot of people asked me what wallpaper I was using on my previous device, and all I did was look up cool wallpapers for Galaxy Note 9, and I happened to find this one. I screenshotted it, and boom, I'm good to go. So I didn't go to any special website or anything like that. I kind of just Google the words cool wallpapers for Galaxy Note 9, and I just find something I like, and this happened to work out for me. You know, it's got that nice blue look to it, just like the back of the device. It's a blue phone, so I think it's a good mixture. You know, they look great together, the screen with the back of the device. But yes, this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So far, my thoughts on this device, I'm loving it. I'm going to do a full review here pretty soon, so If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on that review or any other videos to come. But yes, I'm excited to do this review. This device has been treating me so well. I am very impressed with how this device is running, but I will save all the information and all my thoughts for the full review. It's going to be a full, real, honest review. So stay tuned for that, you guys. But yes, this was my setup for my Galaxy Note 9. This is what's in my phone. You guys let me know your thoughts down below. If you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, how do you have your setup? Do you like the way mine is set up? What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.